Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the digital process of registering your kids for Camp Invention online. First, fire up your web browser and navigate directly to the official National Inventors Hall of Fame website at invent.org. Then click straight on the Find a Program link featured on the main landing portal. From here, type your city, state, or specific zip code into the interactive location search tool to filter out the active elementary schools, community centers, or middle schools hosting a camp session right in your immediate geographic area. Once you lock in your preferred local campsite, click the Register button to begin building your secure Master Parent Portal account using your main email address and a custom password. Next, input your child's full legal name, date of birth, gender, and the exact grade level they will be entering for the upcoming fall school term, keeping in mind this signature STEM program is structured for rising kindergarten students through 6th graders. Take your time filling out the extensive safety documentation fields, which require you to list primary emergency contacts, authorized pickup individuals, severe medical allergies, and any active daily medication schedules. Before hitting the final checkout screen, scan the top of the portal for any active seasonal promo codes to instantly shave $30 to $40 off your total cost. Finally, choose between making a full upfront payment or setting up a flexible, interest-free payment installation plan. Input your standard credit card or billing details to confirm the transaction, and check your inbox for an official confirmation email layout containing your digital registration receipt and parent preparation guide. Subscribe the channel for more videos.